MetMax Europe is a strategic European supplier with decades of experience in the metalworking industry. We manufacture and supply portfolios of complex components for our global OEM partners, with a focus on complex precision machining, heat and surface treatment and assembly as needed. Enhanced digital solutions overwhelm our complete manufacturing process, from CAD design to creating digital twins that simulate production on both an office and shop floor level, including quality control. We combine the latest technologies with our craftsmanship to provide tailor-made solutions and unique customer experience, while continuously developing our processes to be more efficient and sustainable. Our services are customizable to meet any company's needs, no matter how big or small you may be. We ensure maximum quality and efficiency of all times without compromising safety or performance standards. All our machines are network connected and equipped with barcode scanning capabilities, enabling centralized management of machining and measurement programs and production feedback. Our commitment to quality drives us to constantly improve, innovate and grow in harmony with our environment. Looking towards the future, we have plans to increase our capacity by expanding our factory and rely our production on purely renewable energy, mainly from own on-site production. MetMax Europe's ESG preparation was ranked at advanced level under the Budapest Stock Exchange SME ESG research. Our experienced team can work together with you to design complex logistics models, creating optimized end-to-end solutions. With our warehouse and production space exceeding 8,000 square meters, you have access to tailored delivery solutions to fit your exact needs and preferences. We guarantee that all of your products arrive safely to their destination, no matter how big or small the order may be. This is why our customer base includes even the most demanding companies in the industry, including leading machine manufacturer DMG Mori. We understand the importance of meeting deadlines and delivering top-notch products, striving to make the entire process as seamless as possible for our clients. At MetMax Europe, our pursuit of continuous development begins with crafting the perfect manufacturing process for each of our customers' individual needs. We cooperate and leverage our experience in our partners' research and development, design and cost optimization processes for the mutual benefit of customer and supplier. Our dedication to continuous development guides our decision-making process. Each part tells a story of collaboration, innovation, and a shared dedication to excellence that drives both MetMax Europe and our customers towards success.